how to log in or sign in into DaVita account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into your DaVita account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up a web browser and simply search for DaVita login. After you search for that, you'll find login, website for DaVita. You can directly head over to DaVita.com as well, but we'll just go ahead with this. So if you head over to DaVita.com first, here you'll find a login option right here and DaVita patient. Tap on that and it will take you to the login page. So similarly, if you're on this page right here, you can directly log in as well. So type in your username or email address and then your password. To make your login process easier, tap on remember me and then tap on sign in. You'll get logged in into your account. Similarly, for the one that came from DaVita.com, do the same, type in your username and email, type in your password, and then log in. And that's how simple it is, guys, and that's all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.